What if I told you that humans are attempting to reclaim a deep primal connection to nature, gradually reviving the lifestyle of Adam and Eve? Once thought of as purely mythological, the ancient way of life now seems possible to experience firsthand. In an age where civilization has grown so complex that it often separates us from nature, some are stepping back to rediscover life as it was at the very beginning by living more like Adam and Eve, unrestricted by societal norms. Could we find a truer sense of self and a stronger bond with the world around us? As we explore this journey of self-discovery, connection, and freedom, the general documentary has you covered. You might be wondering if humans truly lived naked in the beginning. Surprisingly, both scientific evidence and religious belief support this idea. From a scientific standpoint, molecular research suggests that between 8 and 4 million years ago, the ancestors of modern humans diverged from gorillas and chimpanzees. In fact, human DNA is approximately 98.4% identical to that of chimpanzees, highlighting our close genetic link to other primates. As humans evolved from this species, our ancestors, like other animals, roamed the earth without clothing. However, as Homo sapiens developed higher reasoning, they began experimenting with primitive coverings made from leaves and animal skins. Initially, these coverings helped them to endure harsh weather conditions, evolving over time to more complex garments made from natural materials. This gradual progression towards clothing has led to today's belief that humans were always meant to be clothed. Religious beliefs echo similar narrative. Many religions teach that humans were created naked, living innocently and purely until they gain a sense of self-consciousness and guilt. In these tales, the adoption of clothing represents a symbolic step towards civilization and morality. This transformation from a natural uncovered state aligns with scientific view that early humans gradually developed clothing as their societies and self-awareness grew. In this noisy, industrialized world, where technology and artificial materials shield us from the Earth's direct impacts, we may be missing out on essential connections to nature. Studies shows that the exposure to nature has real benefits, from reducing stress to improving mood. Today, we've swapped barefoot walks on soft grass for cement pavements and tile floors. We've traded sunlight on our skin for artificial lighting and enclosed spaces. Even our clothing, once a necessity, is now layered with societal expectations, and beauty standards urge us to modify and hide our true selves. The question remains, have these advancements really improved our lives? Or have they distanced us from a truer, more harmonious way of living? As the world becomes increasingly civilized, curiosity continues to inspire some individuals to reconnect with the past by experimenting with the simplicity of early human life, leaving behind the developed bustling parts of the world, their journey to places where the true beauty of nature is untouched.
Oh, you hear that?
Yeah, we're getting close to the
Nice
water.
body of water, yeah. And I see some clouds
Yeah,
coming in.
they walk unclothed, guilt-free, and barefoot on the earth's surface, exploring streams and watching animals roam freely. They gather native fruits and catch fish from rivers, immerse themselves in the natural symphony of birds and rustling leaves, and savor the serenity of their surroundings.
I don't know about you, but
Yeah, feels nice. Might be a clearing up here. We got the bamboo right there, so we won't have to haul it very far.
Oh, look at this. This is nature like providing.
So maybe we could
This
just
is not bad.
This experience of returning to nature, even in small ways, offers a release from societal pressure and almost spiritual sense of freedom. Those who have experimented with this way of life often wish it could be the norm.
I think it's wonderful. I think it's a great thing to do. I think the way the Portuguese approach the whole idea of nature and then to add this element, I think is spectacular. Totally enjoy it.
Finding an overwhelming sense of calmness, freedom, and innocence in living so naturally.
You feel freer when you lose your clothes and more at ease. It's like releasing the weight of daily life and just enjoying the moment, just like I'm right here in the nature. You feel more at one with nature, which makes you more in tune with your environment.
The natural environment offers profound physical and psychological benefits that modern society often overlooks. With industrialization, humans have become more vulnerable to illnesses due to air pollution, chemical-laden foods, and overly processed agricultural products. In contrast, eating native fruits, wild animals, and consuming naturally grown crops offers a far healthier option. Wow, this is so interesting. Right there, the fish is getting prepared. Yeah, looking behind, I think the fire is already set, waiting to roast. This must be a native fish, grown naturally, not forced using artificial methods or chemicals. Wow. Washing the fish in the 24 hours flowing water. This is actually neat and hygienic. Wow. I think mixing the fish with the sauce is a nice equation. Yeah, I think it's time to get cooked. The fire has waited so long. We're piercing the fish with a stick to enable her heat properly. I can't just wait to see the outcome of this delicious meal. Alright, on the heat now. And I think she's about to pierce the fruit over there. Isn't that a banana? I guess it's plantain. Well, just few minutes now. Already well cooked. What a delicacy. Alright, now about to dish our food. It's been long waiting for.
Ow, no way. No way.
So voila, done and dusted. Trying to look for a good spot in the natural environment. Yeah, just imagine eating fresh, healthy fruit and animals well prepared in the natural environment. It's a nice feeling over there. Historically, early humans enjoyed stronger immune systems, lived longer, and had healthier pregnancies compared to today, where diseases like kidney issues, high blood pressure, and cancer are alarmingly common. This aligns with the notion of Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden, living in perfect harmony with nature, free from sickness, pain, or sorrow, until they became civilized. Their connection to nature reflects the healing benefits that came from returning to a more natural lifestyle. Being surrounded by nature has numerous proven physical and psychological benefits. For instance, sunlight triggers the synthesis of vitamin D, which is vital for bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. Natural environments offer cleaner air, reducing the pollutants present indoors. Spending time near water bodies, whether oceans, lakes, or rivers, has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce stress, and improve overall mental health. Engaging in outdoor activities like walking and hiking promotes physical fitness, while exposure to natural light helps regulate sleep cycle. Psychologically, nature's calming effects alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Sunlight boosts serotonin levels, which enhances mood and overall well-being. Time in nature encourages mindfulness, reducing anxiety about the past or future concerns. Natural environments inspire creativity, improve problem-solving abilities, and foster innovation. Nature also strengthens emotional resilience, deepens spiritual practices, and enhances our sense of connection to both the environment and others. Just as Adam and Eve thrived in the Garden of Eden, modern humans can regain physical vitality and mental clarity by reconnecting with nature. Many are now being conscious of this, returning to nature, both the bushes and the watersides. Embracing the natural world allows us to heal, fostering a sense of well-being and grounding that is increasingly rare in today's fast-paced artificial world. In today's world, self-esteem is increasingly fragile. Many individuals feel pressure to conform to societal beauty standards, often resorting to artificial enhancements to improve their appearance. This constant comparison to idealized images can erode self-acceptance and increase feelings of inadequacy. However, reconnecting with nature can provide a powerful antidote to these societal pressures. In nature, without the expectation of clothing, makeup, or artificial beauty standards, people can begin to embrace their true self. Experiencing the freedom of being in nature without the need to cover up fosters a deep sense of self-acceptance where individuals can find comfort in their natural state. This mirrors the innocence of Adam and Eve before they became self-conscious of their nakedness. In the Garden of Eden, their lack of shame and purity reflected an inherent comfort with themselves. By returning to nature, we can rekindle this sense of ease and acceptance, free from constant pressures to fit into the constructed societal image. As humanity continues to advance, the deeper connection to nature that once defined early human life has slowly been eroded. Modern civilization, with its rapid technological advancements and urbanized living, has distanced us from the earth and its natural rhymes. While our lives has become more comfortable, they have also become more stressful and disconnected. We've replaced open fields with concrete jungles, the pure untainted sound of nature with the constant hum of machinery and the noise from bustling cities. In many ways, we've left our own version of Eden, trading the simplicity of a life deeply connected with nature for a complex existence burdened with anxiety, mental fatigue, and a loss of inner peace. Imagine though, if the society made a conscious effort to return to its roots, what might we gain? What could we rediscover in a world where humans once again embraced the earth and its unspoken wisdom? Could we reconnect with a simpler, more fulfilling existence? Much like the one Adam and Eve once experienced before the complexities of civilization took over. While living entirely like Adam and Eve may not be entirely realistic in our modern world, we can certainly take meaningful steps to reconnect with nature and embrace a simpler, more balanced way of life. Some changes, such as spending more time outdoors, reconnecting with ourselves, and shedding the unnecessary burdens of modern civilization, can have profound physical, mental, and emotional benefits.
I'm sure we can get trees in this place.
In a world so consumed by noise, technology, and chaos, embracing nature's calming embrace can be a path towards healing, clarity, and a deeper sense of self.
Oh, this is really nice, isn't it?
Perhaps, in reconnecting with the world around us, we can rediscover a piece of what we've been missing, a return to a more grounded, innocent, and fulfilling existence. This is a new channel. If you found this video interesting, please support us by subscribing.